Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 29 of the Cougar Connection. We are coming off of our spring break here at SMS. So, in the connection this week, instead of having a specific student spotlight, we are including pictures from those of you that submitted them on the Facebook post from your spring break adventures. And it looks like that a lot of students had a really great spring break. I'm thankful for the time that everyone got to spend away from school and spend time hopefully with their families and relaxing, resting, recharging, because we do have 6 weeks of school left, and I know the last 6 weeks are going to be jam-packed with many things. So students, I hope you're ready to come back. Staff, you as well, and we'll be ready to get started, and we'll be ready to bring it for the rest of the school year. Upcoming for this week, we do have an admin team meeting on Monday. On Tuesday, I know the calendar says it's a vertical team meeting, but it actually is not. The vertical team meeting is next Tuesday. It will be Tuesday the 19th instead. On Tuesday, it's also UK Field Day for FFA. Volleyball versus St. Pat. On Wednesday will be Blue Ice Cream Day for Child Abuse Prevention. That's going to be provided by the Family Youth Service Center. And we do have a Next Gen Academy event. On Thursday, we do have a taste testing event, and this is going to be a part of a reward for the Alex and Achieve 3000 students who made that challenge requirement in the month of March. There will be another element to that reward, and we'll talk to those students about that tomorrow. Also, there is a gifted and talented referral meeting on Thursday at 2 o'clock. On Friday, as always, it is Bring It Friday. It is also Mr. Parker Gasbrock's birthday, so happy early birthday, Mr. Gasbrock. And it is also a staff work day. So on Friday, students, you guys are actually out of school, and staff will report. Staff, we are going to use this day to score student BPIs. And we also have some committee work to take care of on Friday as well. Just a few other things in the connection, parents and students. If you would like to submit feedback for SMS, you can use the QR code that says Scan Me. That is the Ask the Principal link. You can ask a question, provide some feedback, or even make a suggestion. Maybe you have a suggestion for how we can improve systems at SMS, or how we can make things a little bit better for you. Also, don't forget, we do have the first ever father-daughter dance. It's going to be hosted at Simons Middle School. It will be on May the 14th. It's from 6 to 8. It is $20 per couple, or $10 for each additional daughter. It is open to any student who is preschool through grade 8, and we will have a few things set up. I think we're going to try to do cotton candy also on this night for the girls, because I know all little girls love cotton candy, and we're also going to have the lemonade stand set up by Mr. Alan Davis. So big shout out to him, and thank you for helping us with those things. So if you would like to go ahead and prepay for your tickets, you can use that QR code that has the P on it. That will take you directly to our PayPal site for SMS, and we will be sending home flyers in the mail this week, with students this week about the father-daughter dance. So here are a few more pictures from spring break. It looks to me like Simons Middle School was well represented at Disney. I know we had several folks that did go to Disney over the break, so that's really interesting. It looks like we have several beach pictures, riding pictures, swimming, go-karts. So it looks like a great time was had by a lot of our students here at SMS. We're really proud of seeing those spring break pictures. For the last week that we were in school before break, this is our Achieve 3000 leaderboard. We want to congratulate on Monday Isaac Hampton, Tuesday Landon Florence, Wednesday Ben Ricky, Thursday Chloe Leet, Friday Tyler Dales. Also, the two students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try was Garrett Hamilton with 16 and Heaven Finch with 14. And our weekly top scorer last week was Chloe Leet. So that's all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.